Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Babbel for effective language skills, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Babbel for effective language skills, begin by understanding your language goals. Identify which language you want to learn. Visit the Babbel website to explore their offerings. Evaluate the courses available for your chosen language. Check if Babbel offers specific courses tailored to your interests or needs. Compare the subscription plans available on the website. Decide whether you want a monthly, quarterly, or annual subscription. Review any promotional offers or discounts that may be available. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information such as your email and password. Complete the registration process to access the platform. Once registered, log in to your new account. Take the placement test to assess your current level in the language. Based on your results, Babbel will recommend a starting point. Begin with the introductory lessons to familiarize yourself with the platform. Utilize the interactive features, such as speech recognition and quizzes. Practice regularly by setting a consistent schedule for your lessons. Incorporate Babbel's review manager to reinforce your learning. Track your progress through the platform's dashboard. Engage with supplementary materials offered by Babbel for deeper learning. Consider participating in Babbel's community forums for support and tips. If you face challenges, refer to Babbel's Help Center for guidance. Keep motivated by setting achievable language goals along the way. Remember to practice outside of the platform with native speakers if possible. Stay disciplined and revisit lessons periodically to ensure retention. With consistent effort and dedication, you will build effective language skills through your investment in Babbel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.